Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on MetaMask. To begin, make sure your MetaMask wallet is fully set up and ready to go. You'll need to have some existing cryptocurrency, like Ethereum or a stablecoin such as USD, already in your wallet. This will be used to swap for Bitcoin. Double-check that you are on the correct network, typically the Ethereum mainnet, to ensure smooth transactions. This initial setup is crucial for a successful purchase. Next, you'll need to fund your MetaMask wallet. You can do this by sending cryptocurrency from a centralized exchange, like Coinbase or Binance, or from another personal wallet. Simply copy your MetaMask wallet address and paste it into the withdrawal section of your chosen platform. Remember to account for network fees, often called gas fees, which are paid in the native token of the network, such as Ethereum. Having a little extra ensures your transaction goes through without issues. Now, let's get to buying Bitcoin. Since MetaMask operates on Ethereum and other compatible networks, you'll actually be acquiring wrapped Bitcoin, or WBTC. This is an ERC20 token that maintains a one-to-one peg with actual Bitcoin. You can use the built-in swap feature in your MetaMask wallet or connect to a decentralized exchange to exchange your existing funds, like Ethereum or a stablecoin, for WBTC. Always check the network fees and the slippage tolerance before confirming your transaction. Once your swap transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your newly acquired wrapped Bitcoin, or WBTC, will appear in your MetaMask wallet. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to manually add the WBTC token to your wallet's asset list using its contract address. Transaction times can vary, usually taking anywhere from 30 seconds to a few minutes, depending on how busy the network is. Congratulations! You now hold a Bitcoin-pegged asset directly in your MetaMask wallet.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.